Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. I'm back with day 8 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and boy, have I got a humdinger of a prize for you today. But before I get to this, what happens if you eat Christmas decorations? You'll get tinselitis. On the 8th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new 140-watt Drone Valley charging kit. That's right, this is the last charging kit you're ever going to need for all your big electronics like your laptops, your tablets, your drone batteries. It's 140 watts. And it's a multi-port charger. There are 3 full-sized USB-C ports and a USB-A port on the unit. But it doesn't stop there. We include a heavy-duty cable that can handle 140 watts. If you get a charger like this that's really powerful, like this 140-watt GAN charger that we designed, you need a cable like this to be able to charge high-current devices like tablets or drone batteries, because if you use a standard cable, it's going to limit the amount of current that you can actually charge that device with. So we're including this heavy-duty cable. We're also including a 30-watt cable that you can use for connecting other things. Both of these are USB-C to USB-C. But if you've got other devices that use a micro USB or maybe an Apple product, we're including adapters as well. So there's adapters that'll turn the USB-C port into an Apple port or a micro USB port so you can charge older devices or Apple devices. We also include an adapter on here that turns a USB-A cable into a USB-C cable. So pretty much whatever you've got, you can plug into the charger. Now the important thing to remember about this charger is that it's 140 watts. And what I mean by that is, if you're using the top port, you can charge your laptop. You can charge any tablet you own. You can charge your drone batteries, which is an impossible thing to do with most chargers on the market that are 60 watts or 100 watts. They just won't work with a laptop. 140 watts is the latest GAN charger that's available. It's the latest standard for PD. We designed this charger to handle everything that you take out with portable electronics. So you can charge pretty much anything you own with this charger. We're going to include the kit with the bag. We've got a storage bag where everything fits in, kind of keeps it organized for you. And the best part of this contest is we're actually going to give 2 of these away. So there are 2 sets of these that are part of this contest today. So there'll be 2 winners that we're going to pull out of the contestant entrance. Now, to enter the contest, it could not be simpler. I say this every time. If you go down below, you'll find a link to a form. If you click that link, it says, enter the contest here. Click that link. It'll bring up a form. It'll ask for your email and your YouTube username. Enter both of those in, hit the enter button, and you're entered into the contest. Now, today's contest is separate from the others that we've run so far. So if you've missed those earlier contests, 1 through 7, get into those contests as well, because there's a lot of good gear and some of those are still active. But enter all the contests, and what'll happen is after 7 days, we'll close our eyes and we'll pull randomly a name out of the list of people that have entered today's contest, and we'll send you an email saying, hey, good news, you won the contest. Send us your mailing address. We'll put this in a box, we'll send it to you, and there's no charge and there's no strings attached. Like I say every time, no shenanigans. We're not going to ask for anything. We just want to send you this beautiful Drone Valley 140-watt charging kit so you can charge all your portable gear. And again, I don't care where in the world you live. You could live in Bird in Hand, Pennsylvania. Now, that's an interesting name, Bird in Hand, right? Comes from the saying, a bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush, which is a great saying, right? Thinking about what I've got in front of me that I already have versus what I might have if I take a chance. Now, I'm a big take a chance kind of guy, so I'd probably go for the 2 birds in the bush, but Bird in Hand, Pennsylvania. So the minute I saw that town name, I couldn't not look up to see if there was a town named 2 in the bush. There isn't. Okay, so I'm here to tell you that name's up for grabs. If you're a mayor somewhere and you're looking for a name for your town, 2 in the bush might be nice. And it's a bit controversial. I don't know. I'm going to leave it alone there. But anyway, Bird in Hand, Pennsylvania. And where that came from, I had to look that up too. I guess there were 2 surveyors out on the main road, and they were trying to decide, do we continue on the road, maybe go to the next town for the night, or do we just stay here? Because there's a little inn off to the side over there, and they decided to stay in that little inn. And that's where it came from. So for a while, that inn actually had a picture of a hand with a bird in it out there in the street. So that was the name of the town's inn, and the town grew up around it. So I'm sure I got that terribly wrong, but I apologize to anybody living in Bird in Hand, Pennsylvania, but I think that's a great name. Anyway, you could live there. You could live anywhere in the world. I don't really care. We're going to ship it to you. I mean, I do care because you probably live in a great place, but we're going to send it to you. There's no problem with you living anywhere you happen to live. We'll get this to you somehow. If I got to send it there by carrier pigeon, we'll do that. Don't worry about it. So enter the contest. Once you win, we'll take care of the shipping and everything else because we just want to keep you happy. This is the time of year where we get a chance to not talk nerdy about stuff. We love talking about nerdy stuff, but it's a time of year for us to be a little bit goofier than we are normally. And we're pretty goofy every day, but we're going to be goofier during the holidays and just have a little bit of fun. Maybe get you laughing once a day, add a little joy to your life because the holidays can be stressful. They can be a lot of fun because you got family and friends around, but they can be stressful as well. So if we can add a little bit of joy, make you laugh, maybe make you groan, both of those work fine for me either way. But hopefully you're enjoying these clips. So today's going to be number 8. And we've got 4 more coming. 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 4 more coming. These last 4 are going to be outstanding. So this is outstanding on its own. Believe me, this is a kit that we produced. Actually, we reduced the price of this if you're interested in it for the holidays. So grab it when you can because we've lowered the price to make it affordable for everybody that needs a charger. But we've got 4 more coming. You're definitely going to want to tune in for those. And that's all I had for today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great holiday season. And until next time, as always, happy flying.